Hi there and welcome. This is Nellie Deutsch, a teacher educator who loves to teach and share. Many of us multitask. Sometimes we just want to hear a PDF file rather than having to actually read it. Google has such a feature. All you need to do is save your PDF file to Google Drive. Once it's saved on Google Drive, you open in Drive, go into More Actions, open with Google Docs, go into Insert, Audio button, Listen to tab, and then listen to it being read.
Original article, Brief Online Mindfulness Training, Immediate Impact, Kathy J. Kemper, MD, MPH1. Abstract, Journal of Evidence-Based, Complementary and Alternative Medicine 2017, Volume 2.
Don't like the voice and you prefer another voice, you go into the three dots, More Options, and change voice. Notice you have educator, narrator, teacher, persuader. You can choose any. Let me try the persuader. Select that instead of the educator.
Original article, Brief Online Mindfulness Training, Immediate Impact, Kathy J. Kemper, MD, MPH1. Abstract.
That's how simple it is. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment box below or just comment and subscribe.